Please look at this machine. This is a single wheel fully automatic chilling machine. We can find the wheel standard. Please look here, wheel standard, and that is the main machine. And then is the wheel machine, PLC edge machine, and the rolling machine. One wheel coming into the machine, like here. So it is one single wheel chilling machine. And from the wheel, look here, from the wheel to mesh, and mesh edge, and then mesh roll. Just by all the productions produced by the machine. So it's fully automatic. And the PLC is the main important. It controls all the production.